Hi, welcome to Unit 8.3. This is about price and output in monopolistic competition. The firm short-run output and price decision. A firm that has decided the quality of its product and its marketing program produces the profit maximizing quantity, the quantity at which MR equal MC. Price is determined from the demand for the firm's product and is the highest price that the firm can charge for the profit maximizing quantity. Figure on next slide shows a firm's economic profit in the short run. The firm in monopolistic competition operates like a single price monopoly. The firm produces the quantity at which MR equals MC and sells that quantity for the highest possible price. It makes an economic profit, as in this example, when P is more than ATC. Profit maximizing might be loss minimizing. A firm might incur an economic loss in the short run. Here is an example. At the profit maximizing quantity, P is less than ATC and the firm incurs an economic loss. Long run, zero economic profit. In the long run, economic profit induces entry. An entry continues as long as firms in the industry earn an economic profit, as long as P more than ATC. In the long run, a firm in monopolistic competition maximizes its profit by producing the quantity at MR equal MC. As firms enter the industry, each existing firm loses some of its market share. The demand for its product decreases. The decrease in demand decreases the quantity at which MR equal MC and lowers the maximum price that the firm can charge to sell this quantity. As new firm enter, the firm's price and quantity fall until P equal ATC and each firm earns a zero economic profit. Figure here shows a firm in monopolistic competition in long-run equilibrium. Monopolistic competition and perfect competition. Two key differences between monopolistic competition and perfect competition are: the first one, excess capacity. Second, markup. A firm has excess capacity if it produces less than the quantity at which ATC is a minimum. A firm's markup is the amount by which its price exceeds its marginal cost. In long-run equilibrium, firms in monopolistic competition produce less than the efficient scale, the quantity at which ATC is a minimum. They operate with excess capacity. The downward sloping demand curve for their products drives this result. Firms in monopolistic competition operate with a positive markup. Again, the downward sloping demand curve for their products drives this result. In contrast, Firms in perfect competition have no excess capacity and no markup. The perfectly elastic demand curve for their products drives this result. Is monopolistic competition efficient? Price equal marginal social benefit. The firm's marginal cost equals marginal social cost. Because price exceeds marginal cost, marginal social benefit exceeds marginal social cost. So, in the long run, the firm in monopolistic competition produces less than the efficient quantity, making the relevant comparison. The markup, price minus marginal cost, arises from product differentiation. People value product variety, but product variety is costly. The efficient degree of product variety is the one for which the marginal social benefit from product variety equals its marginal social cost. The loss that arises excess capacity is offset by the gain that arises from having a greater degree of product variety. That's all for Unit 8.3. Thank you.